gubernatorial.
You know what? You're a f***ing joke. No wonder the Avengers didn't take you, or the X-Men. They'll take f***ing anyone. I mean, you are a ridiculous, immature, half-wit moron. I have never met a sadder, more attention-starved, jabbering little prick in my entire life, and that says a lot, because I've been alive for more than 200 fucking years. And I'll tell you, that bald chick was right about one thing. You will never save the world. You couldn't even save a relationship with a goddamn stripper. Motherfucker, I wish I could say you die alone, but it's one of God's best jokes that you can't die, except it's on all of us!